Hi, welcome to today's tutorial for Thinksy sewing mockups. So you're using Thinksy and you get something that looks like this. It's either filling your background or it's filling two sections at the same time. So why is this happening? Well, usually it's because there is a gap in the line drawing somewhere. And there are a couple of ways you can go about fixing this. You can actually fix the original pattern line drawing, or you could draw your own pattern, you could trace it, and then take a picture of that. So we're going to go over today how to fix the original line drawing. And the way that you would start that is by opening your pattern instructions with the line drawing in this nifty PDF viewer that you can get on your phone called Xodo. Xodo. And we just open the pattern and we find our line drawing, and we can zoom in really close on our pattern and we can see where the gaps are. And Xodo has these tools at the top. You've got this drawing tool, and all I've done is click the drawing tool, I've changed it to black, and I've redrawn that line. Now I redrew the whole line, not because I had to, I could have just filled the gap, but I redrew the whole line just so that it looks a little bit nicer. It was easier to redraw the whole line than to just do that little spot. So then I took a screenshot of the pattern, and here I am just uploading it into Thinksy with the gap fixed, naming it the pattern name. This is the reed from Elidactyl, or Elidactyl, I'm not really sure. And now we have a fixed pattern with no gaps in Thinksy that we can use for the future. So that's today's Thinksy tutorial on how to fill the gaps in the line drawing of your pattern. Be sure to subscribe so that you can be notified when we have our next tutorial posted.